How to work with breakpoints on Wix Studio. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to work with breakpoints within your website on Wix Studio editor. So let's define first what is the breakpoint. Basically, if you're going to head over your website on Wix Studio, you're going to find that we have three versions as standard. We have the desktop version, and we have the tablet version. Finally, we have the mobile version. Each one of the versions right there, or the displays, are going to have their specific pixelization, number of pixels needed, their right resolution, and everything. You can control the pixelization of the site from here. As you can see, here we work on the desktop, which is 1001 pixel and up. And as you can see, we have 12 by 80 in the screen. If we're going to see the size of the website editor, we can go ahead and have these, as you can see, resizers. We can go ahead and resize, and the more that we are going to stretch down, for example, we can see that it is going to be smaller. So here, in my case, it is going to be at least 1001 for desktop for small screens, and 1280 for this screen that I have here. You can go ahead and put more pixels or have, for example, 1400 or more, depending on the size of your screen, and you're going to be okay. So the 1280 is going to be sufficient in my screen. Now the breakpoints are going to be appearing, or their effects are going to be when we are going to select another size. For example, I click on the tablet. As you can see, we have a breakpoint. The first breakpoint that we can go ahead and see is going to be one of the text placement that you can find here. Also, we can find other things such as coloration and other things such as placements. Now, let's talk logically. If we're going to change the display to mobile, you're going to see also that it is going to be more confusing. Now, how to resolve these little problems of the breakpoints? If you're going to use the desktop version as a reference, it is going to affect the tablet and also the mobile. If you're going to use the modification only on the mobile, it is going to be maybe affecting the tablet and not the desktop, because the tablet and the mobile are going to be the same. So let's head over the primary, which is going to be the desktop. I'm going to try and stack everything that we can see right here. So this text, for example, I'm going to stack it with that. And also, let's start here. I'm going to have this text with that, and also with this one, or this, as you can see, marquee text stacked together. So we can go ahead at least and have something that it is not going to be breaking. So we're going to head over the tablet version where we are going to have a breakpoint. As you can see, it is not going to be that destructed. On the mobile also, it is going to be cool. So what we're going to do is going to be very simple. Here we have resolved the problem of the destruction of the text. Now let's move on, for example, to a mobile version. I want to scroll down a little bit. I'm going to change a color maybe of something. For example, this section, I want to change the background color of it to this color. We're going to switch up to the tablet version and see that the changement is not set up. But if we switch back to the, as you can see, the mobile mode, it is going to be here. And this is the whole point of the breakpoints. So the changements are not going to be as the same for all things. So what can I do here? For example, I'm going to change the background color from the desktop version. We're going to switch up to the tablet, and it is going to switch the color to the desktop, also the mobile version. Now the final point for here is going to be maybe setting up this color as set up for all of the, let's say, arrangement. So I can go ahead and head over the changement that I have caused, for example, and we're going to have here, as you can see, basically let's zoom out a little bit, add behavior. Normally we're going to have something that we're going to make it global, but basically it is going to have the layers. Doesn't matter a lot, so they have removed that feature, so it is not going to be something that we can do in here. So basically I'm going to have it like this. So if you have an idea on how you can do things better, you can go ahead and try it out. It is going to be a matter of trying. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you have enjoyed the content, and hope to see you soon on the next one.